Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. How to add friends on Monkey app. In the Monkey app, adding friends is straightforward and can be done in a few different ways. Start by navigating to the middle menu options where you'll find home, account, and chat. To make new friends, tap the discover button under the new friends section. This allows you to find people who are currently online or available for a call. Once you find someone, simply send a friend request and wait for them to accept, then you can start chatting right away. You can also explore profiles in the Discover section, see their interests or status, and choose who to add. Alternatively, you can use the search function in the top right corner to add friends by their unique ID. You can find your own ID in the account section and share it with others. Enter the friend's ID, press search, and add their profile to connect. Using either method, you'll be able to expand your social circle in the Monkey app, start conversations instantly, and enjoy more interactive experiences with new friends. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.